Hi everybody, it's Mark with Pollock Properties, powered by Keller Williams and Livian. There's been a lot of discussion about tax reassessments this year. Home values have gone up, so people have gotten their tax bills and they're freaking out. So I'm going to put some information below and kind of review everything. This is the tax reassessment in Cook County. Most of Lemont is in Cook County. So that's every 3 years you get tax assessed, and this is the first year. So if you appeal now, that appeal and reduction will last for 3 years and you won't get reassessed for another 3 years. So everybody should appeal. There's no penalty to appeal. Your taxes aren't going to go up if you appeal. Where we come in and where we can help is we're realtors. We can give you current market value of comparable homes to your home to help with your appeal. So I've done this with several clients in the past. They've had reductions. It's awesome. I love doing it. So I got excited when the tax bill came and the assessment, which, because I like helping people save money. So it's a little strange, but I enjoy it. So don't hesitate to reach out. There is a couple of seminars going on next week. Wednesday, there's a virtual one from 6 to 7. I'll put links in there for, you can watch it on Facebook or YouTube. And then in person on Thursday from 6 to 8 at the township. The assessor actually comes in. It's an awesome presentation. If you want to come check it out and learn all about it, and there's a quick Q&A at the end. So I'd highly recommend it, or just reach out to me and I can help you walk it through anything as part of the appeal. I'm not an attorney, but I am a real estate agent and I can help give you market analysis and comparables. So don't hesitate to reach out.